What's up, beauty crew, and welcome back to my channel. This is Shedoesbeauty. In today's video we are doing a nail haul. Let's do this. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started out of the way. So first things first is I have these sanding bits. They are the 180, and I like to make sure I always have these in stock, just because I always change them out for each new client. I use a new one. Same thing with file and buffer. You want to use a new one with each person. So I got a pack of those. And then I'll also put how much everything costs and the link down below for you guys. So next thing is these Fimo slices. I am in love with them. They are super cute. So these ones are little dragonflies. Cute. Little fish cakes and little like desserts. The next one are like these little flowers, really cute, and then some fruit. And then flip it around to this side. We have some more fruit. We have some butterflies. We have some hearts. And we have some Christmas designs. Cute. So I got these on Amazon. Everything is from Amazon. So I'll link that for you guys. Next thing we have is this pack of different like stars. I know I got one in my last haul, but I love these. And it came with a pack of tweezers, so I'm really happy about that. Oh, and a wax pencil, okay. Cool. Okay, give me 1 second. Let me open this for you guys. Alright, so the first little pack is just the standard like gold with the little stars. Oh, and looks like those crescents may have like rhinestones on them. Try to get in there for you guys. Okay. The next one it came with, it has bigger rhinestone pieces and a mixture of the stars and crescents. It came with 6 total, and all of them are a little bit different shapes and sizes, different rhinestones. Alright, the next thing I got was these pack of studs, and this is just for when I do my big rhinestone designs and I need like spacers or just kind of like fillers. I add these around the rhinestones. So give me a second, let me go ahead and open these up for you. Okay, so there's silver and gold, and they're just different like little studs that you can add around the rhinestone shapes and just add a little extra something something. Next, I ordered this pack of tips. They come in natural, and I have a box of clear ones, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys those. I'll grab this. So these are the same ones, just in clear, and you can kind of see the difference with these nails. The nails I'm wearing are press-on, so if you've seen them in previous videos, that means my nails ain't done. So just saying, you can totally tell they're press-ons a little bit, but it's okay. Alright, so these are the nail tips I got, but I just got them in natural. They're not as long, which is okay. but I really like how straight they are. Okay. They come in a bag, so you do have to put them in your own box, but I have so many leftover boxes, it's okay. Alright. And last, I got the flowers, because you can never go wrong with having too many dried flowers, and I feel like I always need them. A lot of my girls right now are definitely getting these and the butterfly stickers a lot, so I make sure I stay stocked up on both. But yeah, these are just really cute flowers. Here's the baby breath kind of flowers. I love these, they're so vibrant, so pretty. And next we have the like little petal flowers. I don't know what kind of flowers these are. We got some leaves in there, got more baby breaths, baby blossoms, baby breaths. I'm stupid. Anyway. Don't mind Chiba in the background. But this is the other pack it comes with. Super cute. Right. Let me get all this together and we'll do a final picture for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that nail haul. Don't forget to check in the description down below for all of the links. If you're new, hello. I hope you join our family. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell. I love you guys. Bye.